Okay, so as you can see, it says About Us, Contact Help, Affiliates, Terms of Use, Private Policy, Media Center, and Partners. So private policy, again, if we go in here, it's going to tell us what they do. It says we do not require any personally identifiable information that can be used to individually identify a user offline. So it's telling us that it doesn't need anything like that. It also says third parties, personally identifiable information will not be provided in any form to third parties. Well, that sounds like good information. So let's go back to Secret Builders. Okay. Well, that was strange. It took me right into it. Huh. Interesting. Let me try going into this site again. So I want to go right into it. Okay. All right, so it says new player, click here. Select your age to start. Yeah, doesn't matter. Okay, so it says choose a cool avatar name for yourself, but don't use your real name. So we can choose a username, dude. Choose a password. Oh, dude's already taken. Darn. Dude 101? Wow, that one's already taken too. What about 101 dude? Oh, 1010 dude. Then let's try dude 1010. Wow, they're going to be very difficult here. Okay, we're going to get really, I'm going to go D, U, and then we're going to go D3. 1010. Finally, we got something. Choose a password. Okay, confirm password. And then it wants an email address. If you're under 13, you need to enter your parents' email address. So these are the things that you need to agree to, and also write down here, agree to the terms and conditions. Here are the terms and conditions. Okay. And trying to get back is going to be kind of difficult here. So. Oh, maybe not. Okay, and then I agree to the privacy policy. So you have to check both of those. You agree to the terms and conditions and you agree to the policy. Okay, I'm not going to go any further than this, but as you can see, this is the information that they've asked for. Okay, all right, so let's go back and discuss.